you own a Spectro One or Color Muse device and are interested in expanding your color palette, Variable offers a range of subscription options, from creating custom color libraries to accessing professional collections from leading brands like Pantone, RAL, and NCS. Subscriptions will seamlessly appear in the Spectro or Color Muse app, significantly expanding your color matching capabilities. Getting started is simple. Complete your subscription purchase on our website, log into the app with the same email from your web order, connect your device, and match against your new library. Scan, save, and easily share across your network. With our subscriptions, you can analyze your projects against industry standard colors while staying on the go. If you opt for Variable Cloud, you gain the ability to create custom color libraries, change products in real time, and match against them on your mobile device. Additionally, sharing these colors with your team is made effortless. Regardless of your choice, each subscription is easy to use, fits within the budget, and offers opportunities for more colors beyond what's available today. Our subscriptions unlock a world of possibilities for both new and existing devices. Visit variableinc.com today to explore our software subscriptions and take your color projects to the next level.